The Cuisinart Hurricane Blender is powerful and simple to use. One-touch pressing for high, low, and for smoothie. And that's what we're going to use to make this breakfast smoothie, an antioxidant smoothie to get you going in the morning. Now this Triton BPA-free jar is perfect because it holds up to 60 ounces. So let's start to assemble it, beginning with the liquid ingredients and then putting in some of your favorite fresh fruits. With my liquids measured, I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of flaxseed in for fiber and a morning kick. And the stainless steel blades inside the Hurricane are going to chop that into a really pleasant consistency. The tight seal lid ensures that your whole smoothie stays in the jar, and the 2-ounce measuring cup that's integrated in the top is really convenient. Now with that put on top and sealed tight, one-touch operation to turn on. And what I love about the Hurricane is that one touch for smoothie and it's over. Look at that incredible color. Now you can leave it on for the full duration, or if you press smoothie again, it pauses it. You can have a look inside and see if the smoothie is the right texture. And I love this. It still has a really nice consistency, and look at this incredible color. Oh yeah, that will get you going in the morning. The Cuisinart Hurricane 60-ounce BPA-free jar is perfect for making pancakes, blueberry buckwheat pancakes. And the 4-pronged stainless steel blades inside sift the dry ingredients first and then power through the liquid ingredients to give you one jar cooking. With all my dry ingredients in the jar, I'll put that seal-tight lid on, and I'm only going to start it on slow to gently sift together all of those dry ingredients so I get really even distribution. The double-walled housing of the Hurricane makes its quiet operation perfect for an early morning breakfast. With a little bit of butter in the pan, you can see how convenient it is to make all the ingredients come together in one jar. A quick pour of this beautiful buckwheat batter, some fresh blueberries in the pan, and the finish is nutty from the butter and from this incredible buckwheat. You are going to love the results of the Hurricane. The Cuisinart Hurricane Blender pulverizes, purees, and liquefies. Using a 2¼ horsepower peak input motor, it makes jobs like this roasted red pepper soup simple. You're going to get the type of texture and the type of flavor that you really want in a simple soup. With shallots, garlic, and thyme sauteed until golden brown and flavor really developed, I'm adding some orange zest to the pan while it's still warm. The slight heat in the pan will activate those oils, and you should smell it jumping out of the pan right away. Now I'm gonna go with the ingredients into the blender. I'm gonna start with a good chicken stock. Could use vegetable stock as well. With my tight seal lid in place and all the ingredients inside the jar, the Hurricane is powered on, and I'm gonna select high speed. I want you to see how fast you can make incredible soup. After just 60 seconds, I can press the high button again and pause the operation and check the consistency of the soup. Have a look at how bright and beautiful this is. The Cuisinart Hurricane Blender has BlendLogix smart technology, which senses the load and gives you smooth, uninterrupted blending all the time. Now we're going to be preparing a strawberry and lime fresca, which is bright and fresh, just a few simple ingredients, and it's easy to make. The 2-ounce measuring cup integrated in the lid makes pouring my simple syrup in effortless. The countdown timer stops blending operation when time elapses, allowing you to customize the perfect timing. The electronic touchpad allows me to select ice crush, pulse, high, low, and smoothie. In this case, I have it set for 90 seconds, and I just simply press high. Beautiful. I can see already that the texture is just perfect. The fragrance is incredible, mint and strawberry and lime. And look at this color. Bright and fresh, topped with just a little bit of carbonated water. That is the perfect summer drink.